Smartphone accordion Samsung Galaxy Z with 3-time folding display flaunts on fresh renderings. Previously, we reported that Samsung may release a flexible smartphone, Galaxy Z Flip. And now the resource Let's Go Digital has introduced another high-quality rendering of this unusual device. The device in the video looks very attractive. It is equipped with a large flexible display, the area of which, due to two bending lines, is reduced by about 3 times when folded. In the expanded mode, the user will have at his disposal a kind of tablet for viewing multimedia materials, working with several applications at once, and performing other tasks that require a large screen. While there is no information about the Galaxy Z camera system, apparently the smartphone will be able to function in 5th generation mobile networks. Let's Go Digital notes that it is not worth expecting the appearance of the device on the commercial market in the near future, but it is possible that early prototypes of the device will be shown at the upcoming exhibition of the mobile industry MWC 2020, which will be held in Barcelona from February 24 to 27. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.